Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about how we can track in real time the position of the big whales, big traders. Let's dive in. So today on a CoinGlass, you can find out the new feature, the new service, what we can use it. But of course, it's not financial advice, guys. Of course, and you don't have to blindly just copy paste all of these trades. But it can be useful. It can be really useful, and we're gonna check what's going on here. This is a new feature on CoinGlass, totally for free. Highly recommend you create an account totally for free on CoinGlass. There's a lot of useful data, useful feature on the website. Everything totally for free. And here's a Hyperliquid whale tracker. So this is a market, brand new one, Hyperliquid whale tracker in real time. And also, I opened the dbank, and I'm gonna explain you why. First of all, you can use the search, for example, by wallet address. You can check the liquidation heatmap, this one, BTC and different tokens. Also, you can check this cumulative short liquidation leverage, this one, and cumulative long liquidation leverage. So current price 82,695. So this is you can work with that liquidation heatmap, and I recommend you open on the full screen, right, and double check, because there's a few models how you can track it, and it's give you the information which main volume now of liquidation position focused, concentrated now on some level. So for example, it's the main pain now for a long position is on a BTC. It's around 74,697. This is where we now, and this is short liquidations. And also, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the main video how to work with heat map. And by the way, this is a Hyperliquid liquidation map because on a Binance it can be totally different way. So Hyperliquid whale tracker. So now we got a total position for 1.52 billion on Hyperliquid. How to work also with a Hyperliquid, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the educational video, what I posted before. So now in longs, 45%, it's 691 million open. Short position, 824 million, 54. So now more big guys open short. But if some big guys open more short position, it doesn't mean this is some smart guys or some insiders who know exactly where the market go in the next few days. So not all the time the big guys, even if it's not a pure insiders, right, from the Wall Street, it's always will be right. We got a lot of examples how the people lose millions, just millions, because they open big trades. This is margin, profit, loss, P&L. So now long. P&L minus 51 million, short P&L total one. That's a beauty of on-chain. Short P&L in profit 159 million. That's why, guys, once again, so if the short position now in the profit, most likely and by logic, we can form the short squeeze. This is a funding fee, long funding fee, short funding fee. So this is a symbols. You can track positions. For example, you want to trade link. You open link now, only 3 big guys. This is a user, and on Hyperliquid we trade everything totally transparency, right? Because it's on-chain, it's a DEX, it's not centralized exchange. So this guy opened on link short position 7 almost 8 million. Unrealized P&L now 176K. Wow, imagine only 2%. Entry price was $14.08, 10x cross margin. Liquidation price. So imagine if his position will be liquidated, it's at 29, almost $30, he will lose all position, because he open trade with a cross margin. But I hope, of course, I hope he used the stop loss, and all of these guys use stop losses. Unfortunately, we don't see the, where the stop loss. So that's a point. You can't just blindly copy and paste that trades. This is we got like entry time, price, funding fee, margin, liquidation price, entry price, leverage, cross or isolated, realize it, P&L. And take a look, this guy opened it for 4 million position trade, and now he in unrealized P&L 114K. That's why, guys, it's no make sense just blindly copy all of these trades. Of course, here's in real time. You can see this guy open long for 1 million position Ethereum at this current prices. So 2 minutes ago, he opened position. You can track in real time this guys and do the same. So let's go back, for example, to Ethereum. This one. Let's short, I guess, here. Entry time. I don't know why it's not showing us here. This position is not showing here yet. Yes, so we can track this one. Yes, 2F. This guy also opened the position on Ethereum, a short, 2,033K, 330. This unrealized P&L 7K, entry price, liquidation price 25x cross. It's craziness. Margin 93K, funding fee he already paid, and the price. That's why, guys, you can track, but no makes sense to repeat just blindly all of these shorts. Check the all positions. We can check by unrealized P&L. So this bro opened a position 3 days ago for Bong, a long, and he now 10x cross margin K Bong. It's craziness. Almost 1.5 million unrealized P&L. It's just mind blowing. This one on a Popcat, 1.72 unrealized P&L. It's just craziness, guys. Just craziness. The biggest one, I guess, here, 2.2 to almost 3 million. All right. Why I'm open the D-Bank? So you understand how you can track it. How you can check all of this wallets, For example, you can click it on the address here and check what this guy doing or did previously. So here, positions, no transactions. So you can track all his transactions. He opened long, the time, token, amount, price, value, right? Open long. So this guy just open longs. This guy closed short. We can track here. He closed short. Wow, 100 pages. Close short. I guess he just showing us only the last basically transactions. All right, let's go back. So when you click on the address, you can track everything what this whale do. But this is a way how you can track the whales and their positions, an early stage. So no makes sense, for example, to open long if this guy open long here, where this guy 173K in profit 2 hours ago, he opened long. No makes sense to hop in now, right? So you understand it, and it was short. All right, but why I'm open the D-Bank? You can track, guys, the logic. So this is whales who trade with probably the main accounts. Of course, they can get like side wallets, and this wallet's for trades, but this is guys with a really big money, and not all of them just traders. Right, so you understand, not all of them just trade, and a lot of guys just do the great investment decisions. That's why you can, for example, copy this address, this one, go into the D-Bank, and wallet by wallet, track the portfolio of these guys. So here, this guy his portfolio like 6,146,000. The same way you can go to Etherscan, for example, and track when he buying something. You can add that wallets to the Zapier. I already posted how to use that service and get notifications, right, when that guy's buying something. So personally for me, it's kind of can be useful because it's not only about Hyperliquid. It's a great example of the big accounts list totally for free. You can check which one is more successful in trades and use their portfolio, right, for investment, and the track with the Zapier, for example, get notifications when maybe this guy who now in profit, like let's say $500,000 for BTC long, maybe you will see in the next few days how he will invest in some token. Yes, not only, it's a big money, guys, 213K, but now he like in profit $500,000. And I hope this guy will close it soon because it's a 40x cross margin. And you can track the portfolio so you understand it. So it's this service now on CoinGlass is a pretty brilliant place where we can track the big guys. This one, 171K. Wow. 9 million. 9 millions. RLB. Wow. Why he it's Rollbit, right? Why he holds so big amount for Rollbit? Take a look. We can track the transaction, the recent one. So this is a way, guys, you understand the logic, right? You understand the logic, what I mean. And I hope you will find a way how to use this brand new feature in CoinGlass. I will add it and bookmark this page, definitely. So I will spend some time. Maybe I will create a list of whales and track that whales. So guys, I highly recommend it. First of all, going to check the video how to work with the Hyperliquid. Next one, how to work with and how to use the liquidation heat map or just a heat map, and how to work with the DBank. Also posted the video, and how to work with the Zapier to get notifications about the whales transactions. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.